we had 4 of us here and made the ride to Olivetti Diner. We went the reverse route up Wydown. And I think a lot of people misread the weather, because it is absolutely beautiful. We thought it was going to be sweltering hot like yesterday. We came outside, it's 72, low 70s, just dry and beautiful and just about perfect riding weather.
Light breeze.
And light breeze to cool us off, and just running up through the wonderful shade of Wydown. And that's it, and here we are. Anybody else have to add to that?
Couldn't be better.
10 miles, we're doing 10 miles, and I think it was a nice quiet ride because there's no Harvey. So, and they're asking about Harvey up here. So anyhow,
we miss you.
yeah, but we do miss you. Yes, we wish you were here. So, okay, so GoPro, stop recording.